All right. Bomb cyclone. I'm gonna go out and clean out the deck. First clean. Wow. You can see how much snow is on the deck. Everything is covered. Holy cow, super. Oh my goodness. Super. Super sticky. The snow is. There's mountains of it. Holy shit. Holy grapes. I usually just push it off the deck underneath the railing, but I don't think it's gonna work today. There's so much shit. Holy cripes. Try to keep the deck clean throughout the day. I got so much freaking snow out here. That's so much. Wow. I went to bed at 10:30 and there was really nothing going on. It had just started. But woke up at 7 and this is what I saw. So needless to say, the cleanup will be my workout for the next. There's gotta be. You know what? Let's see what this measures. Oh, holy cripes. I'm getting too old for this shit. Getting too old. Get my trusty tape measure. Whew. Right now, we're sitting at about 10.5 inches. Holy cripes. Oh. I'm talking to one of my buddies yesterday, and he says he's got so much snow on his deck that he walked out on it and pulled away from the house. So but he's got some rot and shit going on, so we'll have to check that out for him. Holy cripes. Oh man. If I waited till this shit was 2 feet, I'd be screwed, blued, and tattooed. Oh. Oh. Wow. breath. Whew. What the hell? Listen to that wind. Everything is covered. Look at everything is sagging. All the trees. I don't want to throw the shit. My truck is right there. I don't want to throw the shit into the back of my truck. Oh. Whoo! Good thing I ain't some fat, out of shape 60-year-old, huh? Throw it out in the front yard. Holy cripes. That's all I'm doing is the deck and the stairs. Oh man, my back's sore already. Oh my goodness. Oh. Bird. Alright. That's the deck. I'll do the stairs here. And that's it. Whew. Wow. I don't want to be doing this shit anymore. Holy cripes. Look how much freaking snow I got in my backyard. Holy cripes. There we go. I'll show this too. The landing, oh my god. It's funny, all the snow just got off my driveway. I just cleaned it down to the pavement yesterday, and now it's all going to be recovered. All right, I'm done. I'm about done. I'm done. Like just friggin' starting. Oh, wow. Wow. One of these trees falling on my head. Look at the snow that I shoveled off the... Holy crows. Truck is gonna be buried. Oh man. Laz, you got the right idea. Going to Florida for a month. What the hell am I doing here? Holy, wow, I am pooped. Look at, the trees are so much snow, they're hanging over the limbs are hanging over my driveway. I gotta go fix this. My downstairs shovel blew over. Ugh. Holy cow. Alright. I'm done. I'm gonna go and eat some breakfast. Holy cow. Check in later.